understand the mausoleum, we must first understand the man. Lê Văn Duyệt was born in Tiền Giang. He was a Hoạn Quan, a eunuch, but not by choice, due to a congenital condition. This unique background forged a character of incredible resilience. He became the Võ Công Đệ Nhất, the first marshal, helping unify the nation. But his true legacy was built not in war but in peace. As the viceroy of Gia Định, known as Southern Vietnam, he held this post twice with absolute authority. He was a visionary builder. He protected the people, expanded trade with foreigners, and more famously, oversaw the digging of the Vinh Te Canal, a vital artery that defies the Mekong Delta to this day. He was pragmatic, decisive, and famously defied the new emperor Minh Mạng to protect his people. This defiance would lead to one of the most tragic episodes in Vietnamese history. When Lê Văn Duyệt died in 1832, he was buried here.